In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install PES 225 for the PSP or PPSPP version if you are emulating it on your Android device or whatever device you have. So head over to this website and download the data and texture files. I'm going to show a procedure how to make it work. So choose one of the file to download. They are the same files with different camera view. So we have the PS5 camera view and we have the normal view. So it's up to you to choose the one you like. I'm going to use the PS5 camera view in this video, and I'm going to show you the procedure on how to install it. If you're having issues with the game, whether black screen or blue screen, you have to turn one of these things off. That's how you fix the issue if you're having black screen or blue screen.
This is Peter Drury, and it is a real joy to say that I'm joined here by the distinguished analyst of our game, Mr. Jim Beglin.
Thanks, Peter. Hello, everybody. Ready to see what unfolds in this one now.
It's an interesting-looking contest between one of the form teams of the moment. This could be really watchable. Have made a major appointment here. What's your take on it?
Yeah, I think once we saw the lineups, this was fairly predictable.
So off we go then. Well, he's a little fella, Ludovic Giuly, but he is one of those, Jim, appreciated by those he plays with.
Yeah, there's no doubt about that. For me, the perfect go-between player in that final third who links up midfield and attack. One of those nightmare scenarios for defenders not wanting to follow him into deeper space.
Because he's just so bright, so intelligent.
Yeah, well, usually he's looking to drag them out of position, and he's so good with his technical ability and vision that all of a sudden they've got a big problem.
You won it up well to his man. Iago Aspas. Lamas. Looking to shoot! Back of the net! Wonderful timing! Wonderful player! The perfect start! First blood drawn!
He just makes it look so easy. He's such a threat up front and worth his place in any team.